Alright, YouTube. So here we are. We're at Mother Brothers Garage. Come on over here, Rick. We got a new camera. We're learning how to use everything. I gotta aim this thing up just a little bit here.
Hey, there you are.
There we go. Now we can see what's going on. As you guys can see, right behind me here, we got old Slingshot. Check it out, man. It's kind of been disgusting. I'm a little upset. This has been looking like this ever since I got it. No spoiler on the back. And, you know, it's kind of, honestly, it's pissing me off. So, in good moments with good friends, I found a guy, and we'll be right back. So then, alright guys, so here we are back, and shit, never mind, I'm just kidding. So being good friends, hook you up. I got a shout out to Blake for hooking me up with this spoiler on this car. It felt naked without it, honestly, I'm not gonna lie. It was definitely something that needed to go on, and I've been upset about it ever since. But, back to where we were earlier about some bad news. Rick? I mean, I explained that we had some shitty weather the other day.
Yeah, we had some shitty weather, and I was out in it, and I kind of lost the vehicle.
Yep. So
we're going to show you
without
my daily driver.
Yeah, without. Got to keep you down for a second. I'm sorry, but the reveal is going to be, you know, not worth your time, but it's going to show you what happens when things go wrong. Are you ready, Rick?
Yeah, show it to him.
So guys, with the ice and snow that we got this week, the truck kind of took a turn. Hit a patch, and if you guys can see it, there we go. We got some telephone pole debris. Yeah, it kind of wiped out the whole side of the truck, if you can see it. Pushed the door back tight against the passenger in the back, and then I mean look at this. That telephone pole didn't care, man. It said, hey, I'm gonna add some parts to your truck. So yeah, anyway, now that we got that all under control with letting you guys know what the bad news was, so now we're gonna bring you to Rick. And I mean, Rick, how do you really feel?
Oh, this was my baby.
Yeah, I mean, I completely understand it. This thing, it was a great truck, huh? I mean,
hey, this thing's towed a lot.
Yeah.
A lot.
Yeah.
I've had over 1,000 cars on that trailer over there behind this truck.
So let's check that out anyway. We were telling you guys that, you know, if you guys run into a problem and you need some work done here at Muller Brothers Services, here's the car trailer. Like, we can come to you, obviously, not right this second, but we'll show you here in a second what we're going to be doing.
Yeah, we'll show you the new hotness.
Yeah, to fix this error. So let's go inside here and check this out. So it's been a while in the making. Not too long, huh, Rick? I mean, it's just been some project that you were going to do later, but now that this happened, it's a little sooner, huh?
Yeah, we're going to. We call this Big Blue.
Looky here, guys. I mean, what year did you say this is?
It's an 88 square body diesel.
Okay, diesel. You know what that means, people. Diesel power. How about drag your ass? That's what I'm saying. So here we are underneath. I wanted to show you guys this because honestly, in the 80s, these things were pretty much made of some recycled metals. I mean, and look, there's just a little bit of rust at this motor mount, which a lot of them are completely gone. I mean, just gone.
You mean cab mounts, buddy?
Oh, yeah. What did I say? Motor mount?
Yeah.
Ah, shit. See?
We're thinking about putting a motor in something here.
Yeah, we're just getting excited. But, I mean, you see a little surface rust, but nothing crazy. I mean, everything looks pretty good. So, let's go over here. Look at the underside of this here. What do we have here? Holy shit, it looks like a angry plowable machine here.
Yeah.
Eventually it's going to be a little bit different, but for now, let's let this baby down and show the peeps what this angry diesel looks like. Oh, you see how fast that lift comes down?
Yeah.
That's a truck. I'll show you the... Boom!
6.2 liter.
Custom deluxe, baby. No messing around. A little bit of surface rust, guys. I mean, come on. We got the stack sticking up in the back there. Yeah. Okay. Look you up in here. You know, these are the years that you could climb inside your truck and work on your stuff. And believe me, that's the way it always should have stayed.
Yep.
Yeah. I mean, after having the vet in here last week, looking at this is cake. You can work on this. But, I mean, nothing to it, man. Pretty basic diesel. And, I mean, it's got power. That's what matters. That's what's going to be needed.
It's four-wheel drive stick.
Yep. Let's check that out.
411 gears.
Front and back.
Front and back.
Definitely. They got to be the same. We're tearing stuff apart. Oh, yeah, baby.
The old Lugger 3-speed.
Yep. Yeah, let's get over there, get a shot on that. Oh yeah, there it is. Boom, boom. So, yeah guys, now that we've shown you this, we're gonna
do some needed repairs.
Yep.
And it'll be up and running, and this will be my daily driver for a little while.
And it'll haul the shit out of that trailer.
Yes, sir.
No problem. And, oh, here's one of the repairs that needs done. We already got the part sitting here. Yep. Yeah, so the helper leaf's in there. They kind of didn't help on this one. So what happened was, Rick said that
the helper springs were rubbing the arm for the steering box, and it broke the worm inside.
Yep.
So now it doesn't want to steer.
Yeah. So boom, there's a new one. Well, not a brand new one, but it works. It's gonna be like new in this truck. And we're gonna cure the helper leaf problem. We're gonna strap them babies down so they never have a chance to come up in there and bang that thing up again. So bear with us, we'll be right back. All right guys, like I said, we had another little something to do today. Here we are, we got a 95 Ford F-150, 302, 4-wheel drive. And if you guys worked on these things before, you know that some of the shit's a pain in the ass. But if you can see it, right there, our power steering box is all wet. Soaking wet. The gearbox, whatever you guys want to call it. It's for the steering, so have some of that. And my nephew Jesse just pulled out the one line. This is his driver. Hey Jesse, what's up, man?
What's going on, guys?
Okay, so we got these two bolts here. There's one right there, and the other one he just took out over there. And they lead up to the actual pump itself. And if you can see it, it's right in there. So we're gonna get this thing out of here and yeah, see what we can do to cure this leaky line situation, which these we have had, I'm gonna be serious, for at least 10 years. They sat in the back of the truck. I found these a long time ago, bought them for the truck, put them inside, and waited until this day. Well, guess what, guys? Here we are. So we'll be right back. All right, guys. Show you what we got done so far. Let me get a light here. Back up. We're still on the 95 Ford F-150. I noticed a couple other problems with this thing while we're fixing her up here, but as you can see right there is all brand new power steering lines. This will be the low pressure line right here, and then going up to the bottom of the pump, I don't know if you can see it, there's the other line, and then we have the high pressure line going from the steering box over to the pump as well. So when we were done getting all that installed, we decided we're gonna look back here because we noticed some dripping, and oh boy, look at the wetness here. Well, we figured out what that was. So we replaced this brake line here. I'm not sure how good the double flare is for now, but it seems like it's going to be in here for a couple anyway. We're worrying about, you know, a wheel bearing issue possibly up front. Maybe just a little too loose or whatever that is. But we're going to fill things up and we'll be right back. All right, YouTube, here we are. What did we do?
Today, we fixed a Ford. Yes, we know. Okay.
No rough comments now.
No rough comments. It's a family vehicle.
Okay.
We put new power steering lines like Mitch showed you earlier, and we did a brake line, and we bled the brakes and made sure everything was good for it. And now, well, wait a minute, how is the video camera moving? I don't know. I don't know, hold on. Let's see something for a minute. Hey. Hold on. Let me see this. Okay.
Oh, well, here we are. Oh,
hey,
what?
Look at these guys.
They were just our hands, guys. All right.
These
so
are my sons.
There you go.
This here is Ethan, and this is Tyler. And they were our helpers today.
Yep. Helped clean up the shop. I mean, they did a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Thank you, guys.
Destroyed styrofoam.
Oh, I'll hold the camera for you.
I'll take this. How's that?
Yeah, I can see you. All right. So, like I said earlier, we did find a few more issues with this truck. Driver's side wheel bearing feels a little loose. So what we're going to end up doing to this thing is, with a Ford, as you all know, being this is a 95, I don't know if they're all still the same, but you got to tear the hub apart to get even the brake rotor off. So we're going to get back in there, readjust the bearing, because I feel a little bit of slop, a little bit of play in that. And we're going to end up taking this all apart, making sure it's safe up there. We don't want premature wear and failure of that bearing just because of this little loose situation. So as of right now, we fixed the brake line issue. We fixed the power steering issue. We're not whining anymore. This thing was whining pretty bad. So, I mean, as far as today goes, it's Sunday, guys. You know, me and Rick both have full-time jobs. We work through the week. So, you know, this on the weekends for us is content for you guys. And it's just, I mean, what do you think?
It is what it is.
It's trying to start this shop with 2 full-time jobs. I mean,
Yep.
it's rough to do.
Yep.
So, I know that everybody thinks that we're here every day. We're not. We have jobs.
We're here at night and on weekends.
Yep. So,
and we can do anything you guys want us to do.
yep.
But as I introduced you to my sons earlier, and that's why we do what we do.
Yep.
Okay.
Got to keep that family going, man. Got to keep the family work going so we can take care of our kids. You know, it's a big deal to be able to support your kids and go to work and show them what you do, and hopefully one day they pick it up and they really want to get into it. You know, and that's what these dirty hands are all about, people.
Yep.
I mean, look at this. We don't get dirty just standing around. This is what we do. So I got a little surprise for you. I know I already told Rick, but the weekend after Thanksgiving, which is next weekend coming up, we're gonna have a special surprise for you guys coming up.
Yep.
I don't know if you guys seen a little clip of it on Facebook yet or seen it running, but it's a secret for now. But we are gonna go and put a car to the test. Let's put it that way for now. What do you think?
Yeah.
Is that a good way to put it?
Yeah, that's a real nice way to put it.
But we're going to get into that thing and we're going to see what it can do. And I'm not going to tell you exactly what it is yet. But we'll be back real soon with some more good stuff. Like you seen earlier, we're working on the is that a Scottsdale? No,
Custom Deluxe.
Custom Deluxe. We're going to get that thing all fixed up because, you know, you seen the Dodge. I mean, sad times.
You can't dodge it, ram it.
No, you got it. Or slide it. Side slide it. However. But yeah, we're going to get that truck in here and get it ready to tow a big ass trailer. And it's a diesel, guys, so you know what it does. But until then, I mean, what do you think? Is there anything else you'd like to add?
Hang on,
You guys have a good night. Be safe. Stay out of the weather.
All the tools we use. Me and Ethan have a YouTube channel. I don't know what his is, but mine is Drag Truck 321.
Okay.
Ethan, what's your channel?
So we're giving a shout out to Drag Truck 321, right? And what's your channel? You don't have a channel yet. Okay. Well, there's our first shout out, guys. He is going to be on our first shout out. Are you hiding? Stop hiding. Anyway, but hey, until next time,
You guys be safe.
have a good one.
If you need anything, give us a call.
That's right. Take care.